Welcome to another video by FE Builds. If you enjoy this content, please subscribe and stay tuned for more mods that are still to come. We've got some awesome mods that we're going to do on this little Jimny, and this is just one of them. This happens to be one of my favorite mods because personally I'm not too much of a tall guy, but I'm also not that short, and I usually struggle for space in terms of my knee room. And I've sat at the back of this Jimny throughout an entire game drive, and I actually didn't find it so bad. I think the only thing that I didn't enjoy was that the windows couldn't open. So these windows are actually specially designed for those people who want sliding windows at the back, who want to be able to get air at the back while they've got passengers, or if they've got any furry friends, dogs, or pets, and they want the window open, then these windows work perfect. Special thank you to jimnywild.co.za for supplying the windows quickly, and also to PE Windscreens for doing a really good job in fitting them without scratching the vehicle, and just getting the windows fitted really nice. Enjoy the rest of the video. It's a very simple install, but this really makes a world of a difference. In my personal preference, I like the 3-door Jimny because of its short wheelbase, but the 5-door Jimny is equally as good. It's also very good in terms of its capability. So it all comes down to personal preference, and this is the one that we prefer. So I've got the 3-door, and I opted to add these windows at the back so that the back seats are a bit more comfortable, and my pets can enjoy the back of the vehicle a bit more. And if you've got pets and you've got a 3-door Jimny, then I would highly recommend these windows. So it's a very simple process to install the windows. First, as you can see, they need to remove the OEM windows, and it needs to be done by someone who is specially skilled to do this, so that they don't scratch the paint and cause rusting. And I think these guys did a stellar job, and they took the windows off fairly easy without breaking them. There's always a risk of breaking the OEM windows when taking them off, but in this case they took them off without breaking any of the windows or scratching the vehicle at all, and they managed to fit the sliding windows really well. So I was really impressed. Once again, thank you to PE Windscreens. In terms of Suzuki and the 3-door Jimny and the 5-door Jimny, I think Suzuki has done a stellar job. They've produced a vehicle that's very nice. It's got its own unique feel, and I think that's the reason people like it so much, and it's the reason I like it. I've seen guys do really hectic challenges with the 3-door as well as the 5-door, so both of them are really nice. So they've taken off one window and they're taking off the other. You saw the sliding windows on the ground. Soon they're going to put them on. Enjoy the rest of the video. After they're on, I'll quickly show you a quick walk around of how this looks, and you can make a decision for yourself if you want to get these kind of windows on your vehicle. Okay, so both the back sliding windows are fitted. Pretty much how it looks when they're fitted. Get this nice space for your wind to come in, for if there's anyone sitting at the back, or if you've got dogs, they want to look out. And from the inside, that's how it looks. It's really nice. I like this because I've got big dogs. They fit in the Jimny, but they're very strong. And I sort of feel like this adds a bit more strength to the window on both sides. So we've got that going, and that's the window install for you. Once again, shout out to jimnywild.co.za who supplied these windows, and thank you once again to PE Windscreens who did the fitting. If you've got a Jimny, you're in Port Elizabeth and you want to get your windows changed out for the sliding ones, you can purchase them on Jimny Wild, and you can do the fitting at PE Windscreens. And they've done a few Jimnys, so they know how to do it, and they did it really well. They never got the paint scratched or anything like that while they were doing it. They fitted it nicely, and yeah, now just waiting for the glue or chemical that they use to bond the windows to the car to dry, and then we'll pull off those orange stickers. So thank you for watching. Enjoy. Have a great one.